Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of receipts, wondering if there's a better way to manage your expenses? You're not alone. We've all been there, juggling paper trails and trying to figure out where our money went. And in today's fast-paced world, who has the time for that? That's where expense management tools like Expensify come into play, promising to streamline the process and save you precious hours. But before diving headfirst into a subscription, a crucial question lingers: how long is Expensify's free trial? Before we get to that, let's quickly touch on why you might be considering Expensify in the first place. This platform is designed to automate expense reporting, making it easier to track spending, generate reports, and reimburse employees. Imagine snapping a picture of a receipt, and Expensify automatically extracts the relevant information, categorizes it, and adds it to your expense report. Sounds pretty good, right? Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a larger corporation, the appeal of simplifying expense management is undeniable. But as with any software, you want to test the waters before committing. That's where the free trial comes in. It allows you to experience the platform's features firsthand, assess its suitability for your needs, and decide if it's worth the investment. Now, let's address the burning question: how long is Expensify's free trial? It's important to note that Expensify's approach to free trials is a bit different from the standard 14 or 30-day model you might be accustomed to. Instead of a time-limited trial, Expensify offers a free forever plan for individuals. This plan allows you to use the core features of Expensify without any time constraints, making it perfect for personal use or very small businesses with minimal expense tracking needs. However, for businesses requiring more advanced features, such as automated policy enforcement, multi-level approval workflows, and deeper integrations, Expensify offers paid plans. These plans often come with a trial period, but this can vary. It's best to check Expensify's official website or contact their sales team for the most up-to-date information on their trial offerings for business plans. The free forever individual plan is a great starting point. You can familiarize yourself with the platform's interface, test its receipt scanning capabilities, and get a feel for its overall functionality. This allows you to determine if Expensify's core features align with your basic expense tracking needs. When considering a paid plan, remember to focus on the features that are crucial for your business. Do you need advanced reporting capabilities? Are you looking for seamless integration with your accounting software? These factors will help you decide which plan is right for you and whether the trial period offered is sufficient for your evaluation. It is also worth noting that the free forever plan has a limit of 10 smart scans per month. If you are a person that scans a large volume of receipts, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Expensify is the right fit for you is to explore its features firsthand. Start with the free forever individual plan and then, if necessary, inquire about a trial for one of their paid business plans. Take advantage of the opportunity to test the platform's capabilities and ensure it meets your specific expense management requirements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.